test a block and use it multiple times whenever is needed. Okay. And easy verification and validation. So if you see here, it's just like you put the action mode as verify, it is verified. No, there is no need for you to again go and write like 3 to 4 or 5 to 10 lines of code to verify that particular element. It's very, very easy for you to verify the particular element and verify whether it is visible or whether the particular value that is coming is proper. So validation, everything is very, very easy in Tosca. Okay, so that's it all about Tosca. So this is what Tosca is, and some of you have already known what is Tosca. With that knowledge, you have come to understand the basic knowledge and get more basics about Tosca. And some of you just wanted to upgrade yourself from manual testing to Tosca. Welcome to your learning this journey, and we will cover all AS1 and AS2 topics for this total training session, whatever we are doing. Along with that, we also do API testing and also database testing. We will cover all those topics. And yeah, and the class timings will be from 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, and we will be providing videos. So the videos, I mean, daily we'll be recording the sessions, and one project also will be given at the end of that course, where it covers each and every topic we have explained, and we have gone through everything. And for now, we have modified it for total duration as 3 weeks, and if at all needed, we might take up like 1 or more 2 or 3 days more than that, but we'll try maximum to cover in 3 days. And AS1 and AS2 you'll be completing by the end of this. I mean, the course will be completed. You also will have AS1 and AS2 certifications with you. So that is what we are planning for this session, and I will open the forum for you. You can question, you can post your doubts and comments, and we can take up according to it. Okay. Any questions?
Uh,
Yeah, hi.
yeah. In between, when you were going through that PPT, you were saying that a bit of any programming language would be enough. So which language will we be using if in case if we have to utilize some programming language for any of the coding?
No, for now we are not using any programming language. That is what I told. It is in advanced, like you do a end-to-end testing, and also you create a Jenkins pipeline, and you do, and there is something that you want to trigger. Like it's a very advanced topic. We are not covering that here in our training. We are just basically covering the AS1 and AS2 topics, which doesn't need any programming language.
Okay.
Hi,
Yeah.
hi for TDS1 and TDS2. Like, is there any programs or any courses that you provide
Sorry, Prasanna, I did not get your
for TDS1
question.
and TDS2 certificate? Do
Okay.
you guys like provide any training for that also?
This program is only for AS1 and AS2, but we are doing a advanced level training for TDS1 and TDS2. If you want TDS1 and TDS2, you might be you have to refer to that training. I don't think AS1 and AS2. Here we are purely covering AS1 and AS2.
No, that's fine for this training. It's fine. I'm just
Okay.
asking, like, do you guys also provide training for TDS2 and TDS1? That's
Yeah. We are planning I'm planning a training soon. Like it's an advanced level of training. So you can get in touch with my team. They will help you out with the dates and all.
okay. And one more thing, like, for the hands-on part, are we going to use the trial version that Tricentis provide for 14 days, or is there any other way that we are going to do the hands-on or the project that you will be providing
Yeah,
us?
we will have other way around. You will get a license of 1 month free.
Okay,
You can
okay,
use it,
fine.
and you will also get to understand how to extend your trial version. Okay, that will not be a problem for you.
Okay, okay, then that's cool. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi Manasa.
yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah, can you please tell me like can you cover in this session like in this course can you cover SAP testing as well?
Prasanna, for this course, we are not planning for any SAP, but no, for this, we are not doing any specific training for SAP, but we can explain you how SAP scan, how to scan those things in middle, not like in full-fledged day, we are not concentrating on SAP applications for this course.
Okay, for basic view only.
Yeah,
Okay, fine enough.
yeah.
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Manasa,
Yes,
Manasa.
Rakib. Yeah,
So,
so,
so
yes,
is
yes,
it
please go ahead.
TDS one, TDS two? Is it the basic levels, or is it until if we get that, what gonna be our level?
Basic level is AS1 and AS2, and then you have to move to TDS1 and 2DS2. Only if you complete AS1 and AS2, you can move to TDS1 and TDS2. AS1 and AS2 are only two free certifications you can do from Tosca. Apart from that, you will be charged.
Okay.
But to go to TDS1 and TDS2, you have to complete this AS1 and AS2 training first.
Hi, Manasa, Hari here.
Yeah, Hari, please go ahead.
Yeah. So, if I'm from a completely manual testing, I'm playing the role of a project manager right now. So I just ventured into
Okay.
this to gain a basic understanding of it. Um,
Okay.
if someone from completely non-coding background, if someone is trying to step in, will he or she will they be able to do the next levels other than AS1 and
Yes.
AS2? Once we're done with AS1 and AS2, do we also need some basic program coding knowledge to do the higher levels? Do we need that?
99% of, to my experience, 99% we don't use any coding in Tosca. It's a very advanced high level topic where you might get into a scenario if you have to have a chance, then you have to use that coding. But 99% to my experience, we have never used that coding. That
Got
I
it.
just told you just to make you understand that you have that flexibility of writing a code, but it is not needed. It is totally a codeless, scriptless, no coding too.
Got it. Understand. And which is the platform? If at all it has to be done, what is the language?
It's C sharp.
C sharp. Okay, great.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah, great. Okay. And as someone rightly pointed out, I think SAP is something which is not covered, but will you be covering a normal automation? Will it covers a web automation or what is that? Which
Yeah.
application?
We,
We
we
cover
are covering a web application. For
web
API
app.
testing, we cover few APIs. For database testing, we covered few database testing.
So in this course, whatever 3 weeks you have said, you'll be covering these two, web and API.
Web API and database. Three.
Database. Okay, great. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
Yeah,
no
hi
problem.
Manasa,
I'm
Deepti
an
here.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
yeah,
please go
will
ahead.
Salesforce be covered in this session, in this course as well, on high level?
No, high level, no, not in this course, but we are actually doing a separate sessions. We are planning a separate session for SAP and Salesforce. Maybe that would help you if you are only looking for Salesforce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Manasa. This is Varsha
Yes.
here.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
Vash.
if we enroll, so training is going to start from tomorrow.
Yeah, see, yes, this training, whatever we are doing, it's a continuous training, okay? So,
Okay.
classes, when it will start, you have to connect with my team. They will schedule the classes. But
Okay.
whatever you are learning, it will be a learning journey all through all through the way is a learning journey.
Okay. And I think it was told that like it will be 25 hours session. So here it has written like total duration is 3 weeks. So 15 hours or
Yes, yes.
25?
Yeah, I mean, it's like 21 to 25. Okay. There will be like 3 practice sessions in the middle. So I
Okay.
will be there on live. So you will be doing that, whatever task I'll give you. So mostly it will be like 21 days to 25 days, according to the how
25
you are
days.
going to cope up and all. It depends
Okay.
upon batch. See, few of the batches, they are very hurry and they wanted to complete like 15 days or 10 days. I will push myself. I don't have any problem. But we
Okay.
designed it for 21 days. It might
Okay.
extend to 25 days. So that is the reason my team has told it's 25 days.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi, Manasa. Hari again here. So
Yeah, Hari, please go ahead.
I just heard that you were trying to answer somebody who was asking on SAP application because we are from SAP background. We have some background in SAP. We work on SAP applications and stuff. So will this make
Yeah.
sense, or should we take up the course which is on SAP, which is about to start? So if that
Yeah,
makes more
actually,
sense.
what I would suggest is for anything you have to know the basics. Only if you know the basics, only then you can either understand the Salesforce or you can understand SAP. So if you ask me a suggestion, so highly recommend you to come do this AS1 and AS2 so that you will have a very good knowledge, very basic knowledge of what Tosca is. Then on that you can start building up whatever you want. It might be a Salesforce application, it might be a SAP application, whatever it is.
Okay, got it. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you.
no problem. Any more questions?
Yeah, Manas and Naveen here.
Yes, Naveen, please go
See, I
ahead.
don't have any idea on testing. So, is
Okay.
it okay to attend and get the any knowledge on this?
Yeah, it is completely fine if you don't have any knowledge about testing, but it would be recommended if you at least know what is a test case, how we write a
Okay.
test case, so that based on the I mean, we just revolve around the test case, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we revolve around test case and few terminologies what testing is. So it would be good if you have knowledge, even if you don't have knowledge. If I
Yeah.
have that kind of batch in my people, I would always step into that level and start with from that level. I mean, at least I'll give a brief about what is a test case or what is a regression testing, and we'll start the session. Okay, so that is how
Yeah.
I do.
Okay. So there is no knowledge on testing also. Is it okay or that is okay only, right?
Yeah, it is fine. That is what I told you, right? There are few
Yeah.
terminologies I'll be talking about. If you're okay with it, I am perfectly fine. I will be actually helping out, I mean, few topics about manual testing also. If
Okay. Sure.
there are people in my batch. Yeah.
Yeah, that will be helpful for me, Manas.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
And do you provide any interview assistance?
Yes, we do. We do have an interview assistant. We do take mock interviews, and also we also help you in resume preparation.
Okay.
And yeah, we do. We do all these
Okay.
things. Only
Okay.
on your special interest, okay? If you show interest, then it will be like an individual one-to-one. This resume
Yeah.
preparation and mock interviews will be like one-to-one.
Okay, great, great. And if we have any offline queries, like if you have any doubt after recording, suppose we watch the recording and after that, if you have any doubt, then how can you resolve it?
Yes, there is a WhatsApp group that will be already you are in the WhatsApp group, right? You can always
Oh,
post your queries there. I'll be active and I'll
okay,
be helping you out. If at all, you
okay,
can also I mean, in the group, I am also there, so you can ping your queries personally if you're not comfortable, or I'll give
okay,
you my email ID. So you can
sure,
always drop in your queries to my email ID. I will help you out with your
okay,
queries.
okay,
Yeah.
sure, sure. Thanks.
Hi, Manasa.
Yeah, someone was
So,
asking what is AS1 and AS2. To answer them, AS1 is an automation specialist for Tricentis Tosca, and there are 2 levels. It is level 1 and level 2. Okay, so even if you tell you have a Tosca experience, everyone, sorry. anyone you're attending for the interview, they will ask if you have AS1 and AS2 certifications. So those are the two basic certifications that you need if you want to project your resume or if you want to project your profile as a Tosca expert.
Hello, Mansa. Shivraj here.
Yes, Shivraj, please tell me.
Yes, so in Tosca class details, you have mentioned that this course will have one project which covers end-to-end topic which are covered during the training. So
Yeah,
this one project, it will be based on which tool, SAP or something like that.
it's a web application. So that is what we will be discussing about all through our web application only we'll be discussing, and all the project is also based on web application.
Okay. So that you mean to say it's specific to web application only, nothing else.
Yeah, tool is
Okay, okay.
tool is obviously Tosca. That is what we are trying to understand here. So with the help of Tosca, how you will do this web application automation testing.
Okay. Fine. And it will cover two certifications of this thing, Tosca.
Yeah, if you are interested, you can also complete API testing and also database testing also with the help of the coaching that we are providing with this tool. So totally, you will be getting 4 certifications if you attend my training, like AS1, AS2, API testing, and database testing.
Okay. That's great. Thanks for
Yeah,
answering my queries, Manasa.
no, no problem, Shivraj.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi Manasa, Digambar here.
Yeah, Digambar, please tell me.
Yeah, Manasa, I have two doubts. Previously, I learned, means I have some knowledge about Tosca. I learned in my previous organization, but currently I'm not
Okay.
working from last 1 month. So, and you,
Last
as
1 month.
we, yeah, last 1 month I'm not working.
Okay.
Al Already, I left my previous organization, and I have joining in next month. So, I have one doubt.
Okay.
Like for ES1 and AS2, it requires business IDs,
Yeah, yeah.
right? So, can you please
Correct.
provide some help for this?
Yeah. We will help you with all those things. No need to worry. We will provide everything. Whatever is needed for AS1 and AS2 certification completion, we will help you out with all. Even for Tosca tool also, you will get everything. So no need to worry about this. Even if you don't have business email IDs also, we are here to help you out for everything. Just enroll for this course and you will get all the information whatever is needed. So at the end of this session, I am sure I can guarantee you can go ahead in the project, sit and start your test case development, test case writing. You will be very good at that. Only if you follow all my instructions, only if you do all the assignments whatever I will be providing on a day-to-day basis or 2 days once according to the topics that we have covered.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mansa.
Yeah,
Thanks
no
for.
problem. Yes, I see one hand raised.
Yeah, I have a question. So, is this tool
Yes,
supports all the kind of application like it's a Java or Angular or
yes, it,
.NET?
it does. It
Okay,
does.
so it's kind of platform independent, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, Manasa Dipti here. Just one more question. So, will this tool support the UI UX project as well, like UI UX testing?
UI, UX in the sense, can you
Yeah,
brief more
where
about your question?
where we will be verifying the uh, font sizes or text or the CSS scripts. Manually, we will be inspecting and verifying, right, the CSS scripts, whether it is the UI and UX is designed as per the requirement or not. Like font size should be this much, font type
Oh,
should be this much, length of the text. So that kind of things also can we do automate with Tosca?
yeah, length of the text. I mean, length of the text and all, you can do it. But this font size, I'm not sure. I have to check. Let me check and get back to you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Sure, sure. But length of the text and all those other things you can do. But we never faced the situation of doing a font testing. Let me check and get
Yeah,
back to you.
yeah, UI specifications.
Yeah, yeah.
UI UX
I
generally we don't test in functional testing.
yeah, yeah. That is what.
Correct.
Mhm.
So we do only functional testing.
Yeah, can we automate with Tosca or not? That's what I want to know.
No, 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 no. No, we cannot automate.
No, we will not do UI UX automation. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, fine.
It's purely for functional and regression testing. You can do it.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah. Any other queries?
Yeah, hi Mansa. Hi, this is Vikram. Um,
Yes,
Wanted to
Vikram.
know how many mock interviews do you guys take for interview preparation, specifically related to Tosca only?
Yeah, we are ready to take how many ever we want, how many ever you want. But I mean, based on your, I mean, final, I mean, at the end of the session, right? Your interest and your availability and how many interviews is needed according to it will be based on this individual performance. It's not like everyone will get these many mock interviews. Okay, so if you are good enough, if I feel you are good enough to face your interview by two mock interviews, I say okay, you can go ahead with your interview. So that is how we generally assess the people.
And regarding the certifications, like once we complete the your training sessions, after that we'll be giving the like the certification exams, or we'll be doing it side by side, like in Tricentis Tosca site, they provide us quite a number of tasks that we need to perform. So
Yes,
will we
it will be
be
a side
going?
by side. It will be
Okay.
a side by side. Before side by side, I'll just explain you the basics before you go start your course in your Tricentis. Okay. So I'll tell you the basics on whatever I cover is the same thing. Almost more than that, I'll be covering whatever is there in the Tricentis. Okay. So you can just simply go ahead and go through all the videos and all AS1 and AS2 certifications you will be getting just by the time you complete my training, everyone who is interested will be having those two certifications with their hand. Okay. It's all up
And
to
just
your interest how you will do. Yeah. I will guide you for everything.
Okay, and
You will
just
have,
as you already know, like what the certifications or what the tasks they provide, can you just let me know,
mm,
like, is the task which the regarding AS1 and AS2 do we need to perform it over a web application also, or is that a desktop application?
no, it's a web application only, totally a web application. So whatever task is given in AS1 and AS2, it's not mandatory that you have to perform and show the result. It's just for your understanding. Okay. But whatever exercises I will be giving, that will be good enough for you to, I mean, understand those also.
Okay, so after your training, we can do that automation on desktop application too, as you mentioned.
Y- Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yeah. So any other questions or can we go ahead a little more about Tosca today?
Yes, please.
Okay, so we'll go ahead. So now we have understood how Tosca is, what is the uniqueness and all. So we will understand Tosca. So If you see, Tosca is vastly used for these many things, like test case design. Also, it can be used. It is totally on model based test automation. Test data management also can be done. Risk coverage optimization, support for multiple technologies, orchestrated service virtualization. You can also do service virtualization with Tosca. So these are all the different things you can merge it up with your single tool called Tosca, and you can complete all these things. Okay. So now we will see the key features. So what are the key features of Tosca? So Vision AI is one of the key features. So you will understand why Vision AI in the later stages. And model-based test automation, risk-based test optimization can also be done. Service virtualization, test data management, distributed execution, API scan, automation recording assistant, and mobile testing. So these are all can be achieved with the help of Tosca. Okay, so if you see, there are majorly four important components of Tosca. So one is Tosca Commander, other one is Tosca Wizard, other one is Test Repository, and the last one is Tosca Executor. So if you see, this is the tool, this is how the tool looks. And if you see, there are different sections each of the time. See, this is a test case folder. If I open any one of the test case folder, you don't see any any code that I have written. Okay, it's just a simple codeless tool. I just simply wrote something, and I could, if I execute this, I can simply run this and it will work. Okay. And if you see any of the test case, there will be no code that will be written. So here I'm just calling the URL. I'm doing some entering some username and password. I'm just closing the browser. I can also write if else statements and all. And if you see, this is a module section. This is the heart of Tosca, I can say. So here itself, everything is prepared. So all the main ingredients are here in the module section. Once this module is good enough, you can simply start creating your test cases. Test case creation is damn easy once you start creating a modules. Once you have a proper module, you can start creating your test cases. And if you see, this is the execution section where we have n number of execution lists. Like suppose for each and every regression cycle, I have some 15 to 20, 25 test cases, and I have to have different execution lists. I can go ahead and prepare any number of execution lists here, and I can start executing my test cases. And this is a test case design sheet where we have different test cases and different scenarios. With the help of this, I can start preparing my this is kind of something like Excel sheet that we have inside the Tosca. So these are the different scenarios I have, and with the help of this conditions, I can just run my test case. Of one single test case, I can complete like 7 to 10 different scenarios in one go. So that is the easiest method that we can do with the help of test case design. You can even get your Excel sheet. If you have an Excel sheet already prepared and you want to use that Excel sheet in your Tosca, you can also link your Excel sheet to your test case inside the Tosca. And this is a requirement section where you have different requirements specified, and based on the requirements and requirement set, you can give any graphs or any representations or any test report to your higher management. And here comes the test planning. All the test planning will be done here. Even you have an issues tab where you can raise different issues, whatever you have, I mean defects you have in your test cases, that can be raised in issues tab. So this is a main project. So this is my main project called Tosca. Under Tosca, if you see, there's a different folders like API, configurations, executions, issues, modules, reporting, requirements, test case design, test cases, and test planning. So this is a tool. Okay, this is how it looks, and you will understand slowly what all the different things you will understand. I mean, you will slowly understand what are the different things, how you use it, how you start creating everything. So you'll have a deep dive on it in the later stages of this sessions. Any doubts or any clarifications here?
Hello.
Yes, please.
So you have just you have demonstrated like there are different sections in the tool, like
Yeah.
requirements, design, and everything. So, like other tools, in this tool also they are interconnected. I mean, requirements connected to the test cases connected to the defects and all.
Yes, they are interconnected. You can connect them according to your requirement. So if you have a requirement and you have to understand, I mean, you have to make your manager